Don't dwell on it. Understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a common English phrase. Don't dwell on it. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in both understanding English better and in expressing emotions more effectively. Let's dive in. At its core, "don't dwell on it" is an idiomatic expression used to advise someone not to spend too much time thinking or worrying about a particular matter or incident. The word dwell here means to linger over, think on, or pay too much attention to something, usually negative. So, when someone says, "don't dwell on it," they're essentially saying, don't spend too much time thinking about this problem or upsetting situation. This phrase is commonly used in casual conversations, especially when trying to comfort someone or to suggest moving past a difficult situation. For example, after a minor mistake, "You forgot to send that email? Don't dwell on it. Just send it now." Following a disappointment, "So, you didn't get the job. Don't dwell on it. There will be other opportunities." It's a way to encourage someone to focus on the present or future rather than getting stuck on past events. Let's look at how "don't dwell on it" can be used in various situations. Personal relationships. After an argument, a friend might say, "Let's not dwell on this disagreement. Let's move forward." Professional environment. A boss might tell an employee, "You made a mistake in the report, but don't dwell on it. Just be more careful next time." Self-reflection. You might tell yourself, "I didn't do well in that presentation, but I shouldn't dwell on it. I'll do better next time." Understanding the versatility of this phrase is key to using it appropriately in different contexts. While "don't dwell on it" is a helpful phrase, it's important to use it sensitively. In some situations, especially where someone is dealing with significant emotional issues, saying, "don't dwell on it," might seem dismissive. Being empathetic to the person's feelings is crucial before using this phrase. It's best used in lighter situations or when you're sure the person is ready to move on. That's all for today's video on the phrase, "don't dwell on it." We hope this has helped clarify its meaning and how you can use it in everyday English. Remember, language isn't just about words. It's about conveying emotions and intentions. So use this phrase wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.